Alright YouTube, here we go with box number 2 of the $30 Airsoft GI mystery unboxing videos that I've been doing. This is the one that was at $28 on the Shocker for the Great8 special for Facebook because of the 80,000, the 8 years, all that kind of stuff. So let's open number 2 here and see what else we got. Hopefully it's not another big box of BBs like I just got, but you never know. Airsoft GI BBs are pretty nice, and wouldn't mind getting a lot more of those. I'd spend $30 anyway, so. Alright, just like every other box, comes with a bag of 2.2s. Great8 Javelin shirt, which most people that wear these, that get these shirts, can't wear them because they're too damn small. But also got a Gun Game M590, looks like a Springer 6mm shotgun. Let's open that up, see what we got. So it looks, haven't had a shotgun in a long time, but we'll see what we can do here. Wow, that's pretty nice for what it is. Pretty nice plastic. Got a nice rail on top there. No adjustable sights, rail on the side. Little pump action. Also comes with a red dot type sight. I guess there's a laser in it that'll point at your guys. And looks like a flashlight that goes on the side there, so you can easily slide the shotgun on the side there. So it comes out as a nice setup there. Not too bad for $30. You can get a little bag of pretty much crappy BBs, so we'll get rid of those and use some of the Airsoft GI ones. But alright, you like my videos, subscribe to me. I'm going to start doing some reviews. Got my Mad Bull chronograph a few days ago, so I'm going to start doing some feet per second, rounds per second, and just some nice reviews of these these guns and stuff. So like it, review, subscribe, and thank you.